The treatment options are basically either braces or a clear aligner therapy. Braces, there's been a lot of advancements in braces over the last few years with self-ligating braces, which make treatment time shorter, and also the interval between your appointments is greater. We offer Damon, which is it's a high-speed bracket. It's one of the most advanced brackets out there. The bracket can be opened and closed, and wires can be changed much quicker than with a regular style bracket. So people like that, we get you in, get you out. Now some people have aesthetic concerns, and Damon now has a clear bracket that you can put on the upper teeth, so that's also a good thing. But we also offer the totally clear ice bracket. You can't see the brackets, they're totally clear and they don't stain. That's the big thing about the ice bracket. Invisalign looks like a clear aligner, like a clear retainer. The way it works is each from retainer to retainer or aligner to aligner, there's a change in all the teeth by about 1/4 of a millimeter. So each aligner that you wear is moving your teeth 1/4 of a millimeter. So through a series of aligner changes, you're effectively moving your own teeth. The greatest achievement for Invisalign is aesthetics and the fact that you don't have braces on. But there's some other benefits to wearing Invisalign because there are really no emergency appointments because there's no wires that come pokey or there's no brackets that can come off. You don't come to the office very often, so and your appointment time in the chair is very, very short. So you don't have to get out of school very often and you're only going to be here for a few minutes. So the appointments go really quick. And for some types of treatment, Invisalign is actually preferred over braces. Well, Zoom whitening it's a bleach that's activated by light. But the way it works is after the braces come off or after the Invisalign is done, then we just whiten your teeth. It takes about an hour. It's in the office and people find it very convenient.